For 50 years, we've been furnishing Aussie windows and those around the world with quality products that look fantastic. Our new EasyAS adjustable DIY shutters are certainly no exception. What's the difference? The EasyAS Plantation shutters are adjustable. A world first, internationally patented innovation, we are now making Plantation shutters affordable, accessible and easy to install. Conveniently flat packed, the EasyAS adjustable DIY shutters can be ordered online. It's EasyAS, readily available in 25 standard Australian window sizes. The EasyAS DIY shutters are designed to fit the inside of the window frame and be easily adjusted up to 20mm to fit perfectly every time. Made from long-lasting PVC, the aluminium reinforced louvers, the EasyAS adjustable DIY shutters are the perfect choice for all wet areas such as bathrooms, kitchens and ensuite. Some key features of the EasyAS shutters include guaranteed quality assured. The EasyAS shutters come with a 5-year product warranty for peace of mind. Don't wait for your new home to be completed. You can order your EasyAS shutters directly off your building house plans, ready to be installed as soon as the windows are completed. Not only do they look good, but they are also easy to clean. Remember, shutters add style and value to your home. EasyAS makes this whole process easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1. Follow the simple EasyAS check measure instructions and measure up all your windows. Step 2. Using the EasyAS selection guide, simply select your EasyAS shutters and place your order. Step 3. Take your shutters home and follow the EasyAS installation guide to install your shutters. Each EasyAS shutter should only take an hour at the most to install. Need more info? Check out the check measure and easy installation videos. Owning beautiful Plantation shutters in your home has never been easier with the EasyAS adjustable DIY shutter range.